Today I'm teaching my wife how to drive my 2003 Honda 400EX, and she's never driven a clutch before. So we'll see how this goes. And since it's her first time driving this four-wheeler, safety is our #1 concern. Now put this on. You look so good. Okay, come here. Come here. All right. Safety is something we take very seriously on this channel. You look so funny. You're gonna be very—
Do I have to actually drive in this?
Very safe though. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna go over the basics with you. Just okay, maybe I should not have let you have bubble wrap.
All right, continue.
Okay, so basics of... All right, okay. So basics of the clutch. Left hand is your clutch.
Clutch.
Right hand is your handbrake or your
I'm definitely gonna get that
brakes.
mixed up.
Yeah, don't
Brake,
get that.
clutch.
Yep, there you go. Left foot is your shifting. You go down into first gear and then up just like the motorcycle is, okay? Yep, then the right foot is your rear brake.
Rear brake.
Okay, you got that?
Brake. Move.
You got that?
For now.
Okay. Similar to a car, which you've driven a little bit, pull in the clutch, you shift down into first gear, and then you're gonna slowly let the clutch out while you give it a little bit of gas until it starts rolling, okay? And then you're in first gear. So
This doesn't turn right now, though.
I know.
Because it's off?
Okay.
Because it's off.
This is, okay.
Oh wait, but but your
throttle.
bike is different.
I know.
I didn't know.
I thought you've driven a four-wheeler before.
I've never driven a clutch four-wheeler.
All four-wheelers have a thumb throttle.
Okay, well, it's been a hot minute, okay?
Okay, so now let's move on to your first time trying to get it into first gear with the thing actually running, okay?
Okay. You turned?
Pull the clutch in and hit the start button right here. Slowly let out the clutch. You almost don't even have to give it much gas at all. Just slowly let the clutch out, okay? Nice and slow. Nice and easy. Nice and slow, slow. Look at you! First try, you got it. Oh boy. I should have told her where to go. Come back! Yes!
How do I go into second?
You don't need to when you're going that slow. Pull the clutch in.
Pull the clutch in?
Pull the clutch in if you want to stop. There you go. Now brake. Or good job. Honey. Okay, wait. Now put it into neutral. Remember how to do that?
Half a click up?
Yep.
Okay.
Is it in neutral?
I don't know.
Slowly let the clutch out and you got it. Good job. That was really good for your first try. Okay, now pull it back up here and we'll do another one. Let's see if she can do it by herself.
Okay. What do I do?
You know what to do. You got it. All right, you got this.
Dang it!
See, you let the clutch out way too fast. Okay, so start it back up and do it again. Just always remember, slowly let out the clutch. There you go. More gas, more gas. There you go. Pull the clutch in and stop. And you got into neutral. Good job, honey. Okay, first thoughts on your first time going into first gear?
I'm hot.
You're hot? Okay. I suppose we can take the bubble wrap off now. Well, you did that pretty easy, so now we're gonna move on to shifting into second gear. I'm gonna ride with you on the back in case something catastrophic happens. Okay, so once it gets up a little higher where you start hearing like wee, then you're gonna pull the clutch in, let off the gas, shift up.
Pull the clutch in, let off the gas, shift up, and then let out the clutch and
then
hit
just
the gas.
Drop the clutch, yeah. Go ahead and just shift in a second.
Did I do it?
I don't think so.
I'm gonna do it. Okay.
First.
I'm gonna do it.
Right now, go.
Whoa!
Shift up. Up, you gotta go high. Yeah, now you're definitely Good job. Not bad. So it's all one fluid motion like this. So you're on the gas, the clutch is gonna go in at the same time the foot goes up. So it's gonna be like this, boom, and the gas goes off, and then just let it go back on the gas. So literally like this.
Can I try that?
Yeah. You're
First
cruising,
gear,
rolling.
cruising along.
Yep, there you go. Good job. Oh, see, you weren't in neutral. That's okay, but you shifted. You shifted in a second. So good job. The only reason it was a little
gracefully.
Yeah, but it's your first time, so it's fine. You did
Second's
good.
a lot faster than first.
Yeah, and there's 5 gears. So
I think I'm okay with second.
Okay. All right, I'm giving you free rein now. Just go mess around, have fun, and please be careful. Try shifting up and down through different gears. Try revving it a little more. You know, riding around in higher RPMs, going up and down hills, you know, take a jump, do a wheelie, whatever you want to do.
Okay, take a jump, yeah.
All right, go have fun, honey. Give it some gas. If you want to tear off faster, you can give it gas.
I will.
Okay. You're in neutral, honey.
Oh! I thought I was in first!
That was funny.
I was like, why isn't it going?
What happened?
I kind of went, I'm okay. I kind of went into the woods though.
That's okay.
Yeah, so there was a log there and I didn't know what to do.
Oh, that's okay.
But I got into second.
I heard that. Good job, honey.
All right, he's all cool. Gets it out.
All right, guys, so that was a pretty successful outing with Rose. She did very well for her first time. What are your thoughts on how today went, and did you have fun?
I would say scale of 1 to 10, probably an 8.
That's pretty good. Alrighty, would you do it again?
Yes, I would do it again. I hope I can do it better next time.
That's what I like to hear. Give me some. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, please comment down below and let me know.
And make sure to check out his shorts because he's doing a wheelie challenge right now and he needs to hit 1,000 subscribers.
Before the snow comes.
Before the snow comes.
So check that out. You can follow along. I'm doing a wheelie every single day until I hit 1,000 subscribers. So hit the subscribe button, follow along, and yeah, comment down below if you want to see more content like this. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.